finally, the local stock, Naspers, which of course is a multinational investment company with stakes in emerging market internet businesses and media pay TV. Because of course we know the biggest and most important part of the business is its 35% stake in Chinese internet company Tencent, located in Shenzhen, just across the border from Hong Kong. And then of course Multichoice, which is the owner of the DSTV platform, which you're watching this particular show on. Market capitalization, one of South Africa's largest listed entities, 932.9 billion rands. Not dollars, rands. Price to earnings ratio of 101.49. Dividend yield a rather measly 0.22%. But really it's like an investment trust, isn't it?
Absolutely.
And so let's look at the share chart while you tell us what you think of this one. You can see it's rebounded a bit.
Yes, absolutely. So the way that you look at Naspers, and we've spoken about this a few times, is you look at the asset value, the value of the underlying assets. Tencent is by far the largest of the assets that it owns, and Tencent's market value in China and Hong Kong is actually higher than the stake or it's actually the stake that they have in Tencent is worth more than Naspers' entire market
Which is
cap.
sort of nuts, because it doesn't make sense. Then it means you're getting everything else for nothing.
It means you get the entire Multichoice story for nothing. You get all the e-commerce businesses, all the platform businesses, everything's for free.
Yeah, because they've bought businesses in all sorts of other countries which are the same as Tencent, which have all the e-commerce and stuff. Eastern Europe, India, they've got Flipkart, they've got Mail.ru, big player in Russia. So it's really, if you think about it, probably worth a lot more. The question is, why don't investors want to pay a lot more for the share right now?
There might be a risk of Tencent being overvalued. That might be an issue for investors. Even though we saw some insanely good numbers come out of Tencent a few weeks ago. And that's why you could see that little dip in the share chart. So Naspers was sold off along with Tencent when the Chinese stock market was sold off. And then when those results came out, investors felt a bit better about the whole story.
Because Tencent, high average users, lots of people using it, lots of payments, lots of flows, lots of annuity revenue, like you were saying earlier. And then all the other businesses. So what do you think the long-term game plan is here? Bob van Dijk, the CEO that came in and replaced Chris Beckert, what do you think the long-term plan is? Do you think they're going to develop all of their businesses and let it go? Or do you think they might start selling and unbundling and reorganizing?
They might just give it a chance to grow a bit, kind of take care of those businesses for a while, see what works very well. We know that what they've done with OLX, for example, where they had OLX in 1 or 2 markets, and they kind of saw the thing is working, and they started rolling it out to more markets, and then they sell off some other assets. They might just continue on that.
Okay, we're out of time, so we're hot on this one, right?
Yes.
Hot on this one.